find a nice dune to sit on and watch the sunrise. It should be really nice.
You okay? I think he's dead. There he is. You good? Good.
The sand is so orange, it looks like we've got a fake tan on.
So this evening we are taking a camel ride into the Sahara Desert. We will be staying in a desert camp overnight, so we'll be camping in tents. We will be served traditional Moroccan food and then listen to Berber music and just enjoy our night in the Sahara. Then we will be catching a camel ride back to the hotel in the morning for sunrise.
Ride. We've arrived and we're now on camels. But I feel like the camel ride would be a lot more comfortable than the back of a jeep. One of the guides taking photos of everyone. Nobody does. The thing with camel riding, it's fun for the first 10-15 minutes, but after that it's really uncomfortable.
Back's aching, my legs are aching.
Yeah, there's a lot of rubbing going on.
Yeah.
But the views are beautiful.
It's incredible.
It's just questioning, is it worth it when you can walk twice the speed of this? But it's all about the experience, and it definitely is an experience. My mate, he's the one that's taken me to our desert camp. We stopped halfway to sunset. Don't know his name, I'm calling him Jeff. Riding camels through the Sahara, got our heads scarf like a proper Berber.
give you a little room tour. This is our tent.
Got a nice chandelier.
Tour over. So welcome to our camp. We've got tents all of the way around the outside. Then this building here is our toilet and bathroom. And then it's just starting to be lit up by all the lamps, so it's just starting to get dark, so it's looking really nice. And over here we've got like a seating area where we'll have tea, dinner, breakfast, all the rest of it, and obviously like the kitchen tent just next to it, so it seems really nice.
So that is our bedroom. That is our bed.
Sleeping under the stars tonight.
In the Sahara. It's going to be a unique experience. Hopefully we don't get attacked by too many insects.
Oh god.
And snakes.
And spiders.
Yeah.
Apart from that, I'll be fine.
Wish us luck. So we've just woken up from our night sleeping under the stars in the Sahara. It was a really magical experience. We woke up in the middle of the night and saw shooting stars.
That's first shooting star in the Sahara Desert.
Yep. Can't really ask for a better place.
No.
You can see like the Milky Way and stuff.
That's amazing.
It's really beautiful. But we've just woken up to sunrise as well. Just come out onto one of the dunes. Just watching the sun peek over the dunes. It's a bit cloudy, but it's still really nice.
I'm exhausted still.
Yeah.
It's like 6:20. We went to bed at midnight.
Yeah.
And
there was lots of music.
It was quite a windy night.
Yeah.
A lot of sand was blown onto us.
Yeah. And God knows what else. But it was really good.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Last night was really good as well. Had like 4-course meal, traditional Berber music and people dancing and stuff.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Yeah, definitely. If you're coming to Morocco, definitely do an excursion out to the desert. It's definitely worth it.